Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 10 Science Syllabus 2023 to 2024. CBSE Class 10 Science Syllabus 2023 to 2024 has been released at cbseacademic.nic.in. CBSE Class 10 Science Syllabus is divided into 5 units. The most important units with maximum marks weightage are Chemical Substances and World of Living. Both of these units carry 25 marks each. The maximum marks for CBSE Class 10 Science are 100. Theory paper carries 80 marks and internal assessment is held for 20 marks. Student must score at least 33% marks to pass the exam. CBSE has maintained the 30% reduction in CBSE Class 10 Science syllabus this year also. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Science unit-wise marks weightage. Chemical Substances, Nature and Behavior carries a weightage of 25 marks. World of Living carries a weightage of 25 marks. Natural Phenomenon carries a weightage of 12 marks. Effect of Current carries a weightage of 13 marks. Natural Resources carries a weightage of 5 marks. Theory marks carries a weightage of 80 marks. Internal assessment carries a weightage of 20 marks. In Chemical Substances, Nature and Behavior, the chapters are Chemical Reaction and Acid, Bases and Salt. In Chemical Reaction, the important topics are Chemical Equation, Balanced Chemical Equation and its implications, Type of Chemical Reaction, Combination, Decomposition, Precipitation, Displacement, Double Displacement, Endothermic, exothermic reaction, oxidation and reduction. In acid, base and salts, their definitions in terms of furnishing of H plus and OH ions, journal properties, example and uses, neutralization concept of pH scale, definition relating to logarithm not required, importance of pH in everyday life, preparation and uses of sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda and plaster of Paris. In metals and non-metals, properties of metal and non-metal, reactivity series, formation and properties of ionic compound, basic metallurgical process, corrosion and its prevention. In carbon compounds, covalent bonding in carbon compounds, versatile nature of carbon, homologous series, nomenclature of carbon compound containing functional group, halogens, alcohol, ketones, aldehydes, alkanes and alkynes, difference between saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons, chemical properties of carbon compound, combustion, oxidation, addition and substitution reaction, ethanol and ethanic acid, only properties and uses, soaps and detergents. In World of Living, the chapters are Life Process and Control and Coordination in Animal and Plants. In Life Process, the topics are Living Being, Basic Concept of Nutrition, Respiration, Transport and Exhaustion in Plants and Animals. In Control and Coordination in Animal and Plants, the topics are Tropic Movements in Plants, Introduction of Plant Hormones, Control and Coordination in Animals, Nervous System, Voluntary, Involuntary and Reflex Action, Chemical Coordination, Animal Hormones. In reproduction in animal and plant, asexual and sexual reproductive health, need and method of family planning, safe sex versus HIV or AIDS, childbearing and women's health. In heredity and evolution, heredity or Mendel's contribution, laws for inheritance of traits, sex determination, brief introduction, topics excluded, evolution and classification, and evolution should not be equated with progress. In natural phenomenon, the chapters are light, reflection and refraction, human eye and the colorful world. In light, reflection and refraction, topics are reflection of light by curved surfaces, images formed by spherical mirrors, center of curvature, principal axis, principal focus, focal length, mirror formula, derivation not required, magnification. Refraction, laws of refraction, refractive index, refraction of light by spherical lens, image formed by spherical lenses, lens formula, derivation not required, magnification power of a lens. In human eye and the colorful world, the topics are functioning of lens in human eye, defect of vision and their corrections, applications of spherical mirror and lenses, diffraction of light through a prism, dispersion of light, scattering of light, applications in daily life excluding color of the sun at sunrise and sunset. In effect of current, the chapters are electricity, magnetic effect of current. In electricity, The topics are electric current, potential difference, and electric current, Ohm's law, resistance, resistivity, factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends, series combination of resistors, parallel combination of resistors and its application in daily life, heating effect of electric current and its application in daily life, electric power, interrelation between P, V, I and R. In magnetic effect of current, magnetic field lines fill due to a current carrying conductor, fill due to current carrying coil or solenoid, force on current carrying conductor, Fleming's left hand rule, direct current, alternating current, frequency of AC, advantage of AC, cover DC domestic electric circuits. In natural resources, the chapter is our environment. Topics include ecosystem, environmental problems, ozone depletion, waste production and their solutions, biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Science Practical List. A. Finding the pH of the following samples by using pH paper or universal indicator. Dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute NaOH solution, dilute ethanoic acid solution, lemon juice, water, dilute hydrogen carbonate solution. B. Studying the properties of acid and bases HCl and NaOH on the basis of their reaction with litmus solution, blue or red, zinc metal, solid sodium carbonate. Second, performing and observing the following reaction and classifying them into combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, action of water on quicklime, action of heat on ferrous sulfate crystals, iron nails capped in copper sulfate solution, reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride solutions. Observing the action of zinc, iron, copper, aluminium metals on the following salt solutions: ZnSO4, FeSO4, CuSO4, Ai2SO4, 3Aq. Arranging zinc, iron, copper and aluminium metals in the decreasing order of reactivity based on the above result. Fourth, studying the dependence of potential difference across a resistor on the current passing through it and determine its resistance. Also plotting a graph between V and I. Determination of the equivalent resistance of two resistors when connected in series and parallel. Preparing a temporary mount of a leaf peel to show stomata. Experimentally show that carbon dioxide is given out during respiration. Study of the following properties of acetic acid or ethanoic acid: odor, solubility in water, effect on litmus, reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Study of the comparative cleaning capacity of a sample of soap in soft and hard water. Determination of the focal length of concave mirror convex lens by obtaining the image of a distant object. Tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence and interpret the result. Tracing the path of a ray of lighting passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. We measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence and interpret the result. Studying binary fission in amoeba, budding in yeast and hydra with the help of prepared slide. Tracing the path of the rays of light through a glass prism. Identification of the different parts of an embryo of a dicot seed pea, gram or red kidney bean. Let's check the CBSE Class 10 Science Question Paper Pattern 2023 to 2024. Section A, Objective Type Question, consists 20 number of questions with 1 marks per question. Section B, Very Short Answer Type, consists 6 number of questions with 2 marks per question. Section C, Short Answer Type, consists 7 number of questions with 3 marks per question. Section D, Long Answer Type, consists 3 number of questions with 5 marks per question. Section E, Source-based or case-based questions, consists 3 number of questions with 4 marks per question. Let's check what are the prescribed books for CBSE Class 10 Science. Science textbook for Class 10 by NCERT publication, Assessment of Practical Skills in Science Class 10 by CBSE publication, Laboratory Manual Science Class 10 by NCERT publication, Exemplar Problems Class 10 by NCERT publication. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.